Greetings everyone, Tiagi Ryan here from Brazil, and I would like to invite you for a free breathing session with sound therapy that's going to happen on Friday at 2 p.m. São Paulo time zone. So I would recommend to bring your headphones with you, and we're going to be doing a combination of different breathing techniques using timing, using beat with musical instruments. So I very much welcome you and pass along this invitation. The link is going to be in the bio. It's going to be through Zoom app, okay? So I see you on Friday, 2 p.m. São Paulo time zone, and this session, of course, is going to be in English. So take care.